Imagine pulling into a quiet lakeside campground just before sunset. The sky is glowing orange. The air is cool. You park, press one button, and within seconds, your compact motorhome transforms into a cozy, luxury retreat. Soft lighting turns on, the slide expands, and suddenly, this small motorhome feels anything but small. Today, we're taking a full tour of what might be the most exciting compact luxury Super C on the road right now, the 2026 Isata 3 from Dynamax. It's being called their smallest motorhome. But here's the real question: does smaller mean compromised? Or does it mean smarter? Let's step inside and find out. At first glance, the 2026 Isata 3 doesn't scream small. It looks strong, confident, solid, built on the reliable Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis. This motorhome carries that clean, modern front and styling people love. You get that signature Mercedes grille, sleek headlights, and a driving position that feels more like a premium van than a bulky RV. And that's the magic here. This is a Super C motorhome that doesn't feel intimidating to drive. It's compact enough to handle city streets, tighter campgrounds, and even grocery store parking lots without stress. Yet it still gives you full body paint with bold graphics, frameless window spower awning with LED lighting, exterior storage compartments option, roof rack and solar prep. The proportions are tight, clean, aerodynamic. You don't feel like you're piloting a bus. You feel in control. And for couples or solo travelers who want freedom without bulk, that matters.
Under the hood, you get the proven 3.0L turbo diesel engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission. It delivers strong torque, solid fuel efficiency, and long-distance comfort. This isn't about racing down highways. It's about confidence. Smooth highway cruising, stable handling, and crosswinds, quiet diesel performance, advanced safety features. You also benefit from modern driver assistance tech like blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, collision prevention assist. For a motorhome this size, that's impressive. Driving the Isata 3 feels less like driving an RV, and more like driving a high-end van with luxury living attached. Now step inside. And this is where things change. The moment that door closes, you realize something important: this does not feel small. You're greeted with solid hardwood cabinetry, polished countertops, soft LED accent lighting, and residential-style flooring. The ceiling height feels open. The windows let in natural light. The color palette is modern and warm. This isn't RV basic. This feels premium. Depending on the floor plan, the Isata 3 offers either a spacious dinette or theater seating. The dinette is supportive and well-cushioned. It easily converts into an additional sleeping space when needed. If you choose theater seating, you get plush recliners facing a large LED TV. Perfect for movie nights after a long travel day. And yes, this motorhome includes multiple USB ports, 110V outlet, smart TV sound system, optional fireplace. Even in a compact design, nothing feels squeezed. The slide-out expands the living area beautifully. Once extended, the floor space opens up enough for two people to move around comfortably without bumping into each other. That's thoughtful engineering. Now let's talk kitchen. In many small motorhomes, this is where compromises show up. But not here. The Isata 3 gives you solid surface countertop, stainless steel sink, 2-burner cooktop, convection microwave, refrigerator with freezer. The counter space is efficient. Not massive, but practical. You can prepare real meals here, not just snacks. Cabinet storage is surprisingly generous. Upper cabinets, lower drawers, pantry space. For weekend trips or even extended travel, it works. And because everything is within reach, cooking actually feels easier in this compact setup. Here's where things get interesting. In many smaller motorhomes, bathrooms feel cramped, tight, almost like an afterthought. But in the 2026 Isata 3, the bathroom feels intentional. You get fully enclosed shower, skylight above for extra headroom, solid door for privacy, vanity with storage, foot flush toilet. The shower isn't oversized, but it's comfortable. You don't feel like you're squeezing into a closet. For a motorhome considered smallest in its class, this is impressive. It feels usable, not just functional. Move toward the rear and you'll find the main sleeping area. Most floor plans offers a queen-size bed. Some configurations even provide twin bed options depending on layout. The mattress is supportive. Windows on both sides bring cross ventilation. Overhead cabinets provide storage for clothes and personal items. Reading lights are built in. There's space to move around the bed without crawling over your partner every time. And that's a big deal in compact motorhomes. Comfort at night equals better travel days. Now let's talk real-world usability. Because luxury is great, but storage matters more when you're living on the road. The Isata 3 includes overhead cabinets throughout wardrobe space, underbed storage, exterior compartments, optional solar system. For its size, it maximizes every inch intelligently. You won't carry your entire house with you, but you won't feel restricted either. This motorhome is clearly designed for couples, weekend adventurers, full-time minimalists, digital nomads, first-time RV buyers. It's approachable. So what makes the 2026 Isata 3 unique? Here's the simple answer: it delivers true luxury in a manageable size. Many Super C motorhomes focus on size first. Big slides, big engines, big price tags. This one focuses on smart design. You still get premium build quality, diesel performance, Mercedes reliability, modern safety tech, residential style interior, but without overwhelming dimensions. It's easier to park, easier to drive, easier to store. And that opens travel possibilities. Spontaneous trips, national parks, coastal roads, smaller campsites others can't access. Sometimes smaller means more freedom. Let's be honest. This isn't the motorhome for a family of 5. But for a traveling couples, a solo explorer, retired adventurers, luxury van upgraders, it hits a sweet spot. It feels premium without being oversized. And that balance is hard to find. 12. The real question: is it truly Dynamax's smallest motorhome? Yes, in terms of overall Super C lineup positioning. But it doesn't feel like the smallest in comfort. That's the surprise. It feels refined, focused, purpose-built. The 2026 Isata 3 proves something important. You don't need massive square footage to experience luxury travel. You need smart design, quality materials, reliable engineering, and comfort where it matters most. This motorhome delivers that. It's compact. Yes. But it's confident. And sometimes, that's even better. Now I want to hear from you. Would you choose a smaller luxury motorhome like this? Or do you prefer a larger classes setup? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this full tour and want to see more detailed RV reviews like this one, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tour.